Wait, is the God aware? Is the God aware? Is the God of the Christian aware that his children are being killed in the northern Nigerians by Fulani's Boko Harams and Fulani's bandits? Is he aware? Wait, is the God aware that in one night 200 of his children was killed in Benue State? Is he aware? I believe I'm not close to him, but at least I know many pastors that are close to the God that would have reported this matter to him now. God. Maybe the God is not yet aware. We need to we have like Apostle Michael Oropo from Benue State now. He would have reported this matter to the God now. Let this killing stop. At least we have people like Dr. Paul Eneche, yes, from Benue State. He would have reported this matter to the God so that this killing can stop now. Oh, is it not the God that made the heaven and the earth in 6 days? That completed everything in 6 days? It's not fair now. The God is not yet aware. Pastor Paul Eneche, a very powerful man of God. He's very close to God. You're supposed to have told him now. Apostle Romeo Osai, yes. Apostle Romeo Osai. He's a very strong apostolic with apostolic missions and apostolic rod. He would have told this God now. Oh, this can't see himself. Somebody like Daddy Gio is in Nigeria. He's a Nigerian pastor. He would have told this God now. All these things would have stopped. He drank tea with the God one time ago. You would have used that opportunity to tell God about the situation of Nigeria. Oh, Pastor Chris, yes. Pastor Chris is very close to God of heaven. Pastor Chris, I beg, help me intervene. Tell God, because I'm far away from him. I never see him. Please, tell the God that his children are dying in the northern Nigerians. 200 people in one night. And always, they are always Christian. The people that are killed are always Christian. Please, help us and tell their God that the people are finishing them. Their enemies, please. And we have people like David Ibiomi. Oh, David Ibiomi is also a popular man of God. He would have told the God that day. It's never too late, Sha. David, I'm using this opportunity to remind you. Report the situation to God. Okay? So, Jeremiah Omotofe. Jeremiah, please. Report this situation on ground to God. Even if now heavily bomb, make it come strike the Boko Harams, the Fulani's bandits. Yes, heavily bomb. No, don't forget. Just say heavily bomb. Actually, but when he give you no sell ammo, I beg. No sell the heavily bomb. Thank you. I know you will not say that one. People like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Apostle Joshua said, man, I trust you. You are a very good apostle. In fact, you are the one that made me to know God. Help us remind God that his children are still dying every day at the hands of Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram. Just help us, I beg. I'm not mocking your God. Your God is original. I beg. Apostle Johnson Suleiman, I beg. Help us and report the situation on ground to God in heaven. I beg, I beg, I beg, I beg you this one. If you do this one for me, I go like him. Pastor Lazarus Moka, I beg, I beg. Pastor Lazarus Moka, they choosing Mopo. I beg, I beg, I beg, Pastor, I beg. Help us take God that his children are dying for here from the hands of kidnappers and Boko Harams. Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. I know you did. Even though now 2 aprons or 3, make all the Christians they wear them up and down. Thank you. Make him give you. Tell her make him supply more aprons. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Baba David Oyedepo. Baba David Oyedepo. By I beg, I beg, I beg. Help us beg these gods to send helpers. We are Winners Chapel for crying out loud. Let us win at this point in time. Let us win. We are Winners Chapel for crying out loud. Why is a bandit winning us? Why are Boko Haram winning us, the Christians? Why? I beg. Help us take this God to come. Tell them to open the window, the curtain of heaven, and look at the side of Nigeria. Yes. Thank you.